In this video, I'll show you how to see a Memecoin market capitalization on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, the market cap of a Memecoin is the price of the Memecoin at a particular amount of time or given period of time, right? So look right here, you can see MC cap, right? So these are the market caps of different Memecoins here on Dexscreener, right? From this display option. Now, if you have to open a particular token, let's say I want to open one of these, let me see, I'll open this right here. Now, for us to see the total, now for us to see the market capitalization of this project, you're going to click right here, right? So this is it. This is the FDV, right? So this is the total, this is the current market cap of this meme coin here on Dexscreener. If you found this video helpful, please ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.